friends, my name is Sashi and today it is raining in Belgium. This isn't really any news, but we're going to be trying to make the best of it. I'm currently going to be taking the train to Boom because over there is a huge grass hill which will now be covered in water and rain obviously, and we will be trying to send some shit down this mountain. I brought my snow skate, not sure if I'm going to be able to do something, but at the end of the day, you know, snow and rain, it's all kind of the same. They're both water. We also got inspired by the legends of Ripple Collective, who grabbed a couple of trash bags and some soap and slid down that hill as well. Let's hope it rains today. Didn't think I would ever be saying that as a skateboarder. The crew. Okay, that's one way of entering the energy. Damn, they got the bodyboards and everything. Kan jij er ook afklimmen, mannetje? Hallo. Ça va, boys?
Ja,
Oh, maat. I don't kiss on the first date, brother. I'm sorry.
Bro, we got some soap, man.
What's the name of the dog? Tisha. Hello. You touch my car, I'll break your face. Antisocial, keep distance. Just a girl who loves cows. Okay. She likes it. And by the way, I took my shirt off because we're about to be standing in the rain for 2 hours, and I just want my body to acclimatize to some coldness to that afterwards, not be undercooled after 2 seconds. All right, we're at the Gamma. Get some trash bags.
There's a dog in the store?
Ja. Enorm goed nieuws. Dank u wel.
Heel de voorraad mee?
Voilà.
Oh, zalige mensen. Ja, extra sterk.
Ja, maar hier heb je ook 240 nog, hè?
Ja, echt waar.
Kom, we pakken beide. Ik betaal wel.
En dan nog 4 kampeerstoelen, 1 paar
Tomorrowland! We're looking for some extra attributes here in the store.
Die check heeft zelf groeve, man.
Godverdamme, de schone bak. Hi brothers, we got the goods. Let's fuck it up.
I'm a healthy boy.
A healthy boy, man. I got my gear. Hi friends, so we've made it to the beautiful city of trees. We're out here in Boom. Before we're gonna kaboom down the hill, we need to get some nutrients in our bodies. Make a little basin. Nothing better than combining some ratchet behavior with some bougie and healthy whole foods.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
Sounds all fun and games, but now it's like where that we get ourselves into.
We haven't even started yet and we're already fucking freezing. Bro is shouting like he's about to hit a big fat duds. In case you guys didn't know, the site that we're about to visit is actually the main stage of Tomorrowland. Freedom! Little jog to get the blood pumping. So here behind me you can see the hill that we will be sliding down. First we're gonna be grabbing the gear and let's go! We've got the gear for our little scouts activiteit. Hoe pittiger, hoe prettiger, gasten. Hey, nope. Hey Jannes, hij is zwaar trippas in deze chop. Kom, proefkeer. Stairway to Unity. Smells like Tomorrowland to me. Classic Tomorrowland. Kind of crazy to think, you know? In a couple months, you just got... Right, this looks like the hill. Alright, let's get the bags out. Alright, so we're on top of the hill. We got the bags here. Need one for my right arm. And one for the left arm. My mom always said to never put my head in a plastic bag, but today is the day. Let's move it. That goes pretty well.
Wind me up, put me down, stop me up and watch me go. I'll be running circles around you sooner than you know.
For the cheese rolling contest this year. We'll be there. Coming in hot. Come on, let's move.
Just kicking this guy along the avenue, but I'm alright. It's easy.
got our boy in the back. We're going!
Jerk it out.
Yeah, holy food! Quality! Okay, we've got a man ram construction going on over here. Making a little jump. Hi! Yeah! Yo! Bro, you good?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ça va? Hij die plank in uw wezen aan.
Dat was echt hard. Don't try this at home, kids. Oeh, maar dat is wel gekneusd of zo, denk ik.
Kijk hoor.
Maar mobiliteit is volledig oké, maar het is, hoe heet dat? Het is niet gebarsten, sowieso niet. Gekneusd of zo.
God damn.
You're gonna have to eat through a straw for a couple of days. Oh, it really hurt my jaw. It was fucking stupid. I didn't lift up the board, so I just got stuck. Oh. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Hi, my name is Jan Stro and this is Jackass.
Yeah! Paris Fashion Week hitting different this year, y'all. Oh my god. Hi guys, we're almost finished. I've got the ultimate fit on. Ultimate trail training, guys. Alright. Okay. That was it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sashi. Hey, my bro, reste dans même un braqueur. Hey, non.